Good morning to all. Good morning to all. I'm Dr. Srinivasan, nutritionist on poultry. Welcome, Tamil Nadu, India. So in this video, we are going to see that growth parameters. So what are the parameters for using for calculation purpose to know the growths of particular aqua and broiler poultry. Okay, so before that, I kindly request to everyone, please subscribe this channel and promote this channel to our friends and colleagues to share the knowledge purpose only. So first one is the survival rate percentage. So we want to know uh, in our farming animals, fishes or shrimp or poultry birds. So how to know the survival rate, survival ratio. So survival rate equal to number of fish or bats divided by number of fish or bats introduced into 100. Okay, so this is the formula to using to understand the survival rate. So this help to for the culture is profitable or non-profitable purpose also. Second one is weight gain. So weight gain, the short form is WG, gram, equal to FW gram minus IW gram. Here FW means equal to final weight gram, IW means initial weight gram. Third one is daily weight gain gram per day. So per day how much gram is attaining. So how we are calculating using this formula. DWG bracket gram per day equal to WF minus WI gram divided by culture period bracket days. So how many days of culture is 36 days or 90 days or 120 days or 180 days. Here WF equal to final weight gram, WI equal to initial weight gram. Now we are going to see the specific growth rate. Short form is SGR percentage equal to log of final weight gram minus log of initial weight gram divided by number of days into 100. Here FW equal to final weight gram, IW equal to initial weight gram. This SGR used in aqua industry in particular days, how much of weight was gained. So for that purpose using this SGR. Then relative growth rate. Relative growth rate short form is RGR percentage equal to WF minus WI into 100 divided by WF, where WF equal to final average weight at the end of the culture, WI equal to initial average weight at the beginning of culture. So this RGR directly related to biomass. Then feed conversion ratio, FCR gram equal to total amount of feed given gram divided by total weight gain gram. Then protein efficiency rate, short form is PER gram equal to total weight gain gram divided by total protein consumed gram. So per kg of producing meat, so how much protein was utilized. So we want to know, then we can use this formula for protein efficiency rate. Then European Production Efficiency Factor EPEF equal to survival percent into body weight kg divided by age days into FCR into 100. So European broiler index and EPEF can be used to different region, different flock size, compare the result purpose only. Then European broiler index EBI equal to survival percent into ADG, average daily gain, gram per chick per day divided by FCR into 10 into 100. This formula utilized by European broiler index. Thank you.